Okay. I said I wasn't gonna make any more of these how-to videos, but this one got me 2018 Grand Cherokee Laredo with 3.6. You're supposed to be able to change his right hand low beam headlight bulb through this access port in the fender right here. Get it to show up. I guess you can see it there. Yeah. Well, must be some skinny people. Fat guys like me, big arms and big hands. I can't see it, can't reach it. So you see what I had to do here. There's 2 bolts. 10mm that hold this reservoir in. And they're underneath this trim piece, which you see I accidentally broke that because I was getting a little rambunctious. But it's goes along here like this, and it's this piece goes around the corner like this. But anyhow, so lay the coolant to the reservoir to the side, so you can actually have a chance of actually getting your hand down in here. And then you also have to get hold of this. The ECM, there's that bracket right there. You have to take it loose and lay it to the side too, because the corner sticks out here and gets you right in the arm. This is so stupid. And then the thing, I got it out with this screwdriver. You can see the size. Let's find something to compare it to. You can see the reference. Okay, the packaging. It's about, I don't know, inch and a half longer than the package. But this is what you need, about that size. And you go in here. This is the bulb right here. Well, blocking everything. This is the bulb right here. And I would show you where it goes in, but I don't think it'll even show up. I'll give it a shot here, but I'm gonna need some light. Right in there. I guess you can see that. I don't know. I can't really tell the angle. There's a phone down in there. There's supposed to be I get my finger to point in the right direction. I guess you can see, I hope. The wire comes out where it goes in. There's supposed to be a plug there. Mine, obviously, whoever changed it last time, lost it. Which made it difficult because I was feeling for that plug to try to find the location of the bulb. And since it wasn't there, it made it more complicated. But anyhow, this is the way, if you got big arms, big hands like I do, and little patience, this is what you need to do. And once I did that, I messed around with this for like 2 hours trying to follow the YouTube videos that I watched. And maybe it worked for them. Reach to the access hole there in the fender, and then reaching around like you're hugging the thing and using both hands. But my hands are too big to fit in there, especially the one from underneath. This worked. I did this screwdriver. I pried it on the side. I took the screwdriver. Oh no, I lost the bulb. It's not in there anyhow. Anyway, I pried it, from the side. Like if this is the thing, and it's clockwise, counterclockwise, right, tighty, lefty, loosey. And just got up underneath it, and I just gave it a thing, and it popped right out. So I'm going to put it back in. Unfortunately, I don't have a camera. I'm having to use my phone. So I'll do that, and hopefully it goes in a lot easier than it came out, and show you what's back together.